This will be the most easiest dinner or lunch recipe ever, I promise. Yes. Hello, welcome to Owusuaa's Kitchen. It is a pleasure coming your way. You may use ground beef or ground chicken or any other meat of your choice to do this. So as you can see, I've flaked it nicely and I've just added some beef seasoning, and this is salt, as you can see, and put this according to your taste. And then I'll go in with some rosemary. Beef and rosemary goes amazing together, and that was garlic granules I've just added, followed by some ginger powder. You may of course use freshly ground ginger and garlic to do this. So my lovely, I'm going to give this a good mix just to separate the beef and make sure the seasonings are in there properly. Yes, so I've just added my chopped onions, and please don't miss your chopped green peppers. It makes this taste really nice. Okay, and then I've just added some chilies as well, and you know, with minced beef it kind of cuddle up easily, so it is best to separate it right from the beginning so that it cooks perfect. Now I'll go in with a little bit of oil because ground beef already contains oil, and this will now go in the oven for about 20 minutes at gas max 7. Yes, so after 20 minutes it has cooked nicely, so I just go ahead and separate the beef even a bit more further. And when it has been nicely separated, we'll go ahead and add our washed rice. I'm using Jasmine Rice, okay? Yes, you can use basmati, any rice of your choice. Okay, my lovely, so we will stir everything in nicely at this point, and then add some chopped red bell peppers or paprika, and also I'm adding in some green peas. Okay, you can go in with any of your favorite vegetables as well. All right, so everything is now done. We just go ahead and add some water and stir it in. Taste for salt, and you can adjust it with your Maggi seasoning or salt, but then I added vegetable seasoning and I also topped it up with soya sauce. You can use oyster sauce as well in place of soya sauce. Yes, so now it is ready. I'm going to cover it with some baking paper and then cover it and pop it back in the oven. It is so effortless. Whenever I cook this, I don't even feel like I have done anything. And if you love this yummy thing going on here, please go ahead and leave a like on the page. I would really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Just like that, it is done, my lovely. Yes, it looks so delicious. It smells amazing. You'll find your kids lining up right straight away. So delicious and so easy. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so very much for joining Owusuaa's Kitchen. And if you are not, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing. Thank you so very much for staying with me until the end. I hope to see you again in my next video for another delicious recipe. Until then, take care and stay blessed, my lovely. Bye bye.